This is a video about upgrading the radio in a 2007 to 2011 Honda CRV. Step 1. Removing the OEM radio. Use a pry tool to remove the cover above the hazard lights. Then, remove the hazard light panel and unplug the cables behind it. Next, remove the climate control panel. You'll need to shift the gear lever to the lowest position. This gives you enough clearance to pull the climate control panel out. Use a screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the OEM radio. Now you can pull out the entire head unit. Keep the gear lever in the lowest position to make unplugging the rear cables easier. Step 2. Backup camera installation. Prepare these 2 components: the camera extension cable and the backup camera. Route the extension cable from the side of the gas pedal into the radio bay. Tuck the cable into the A-pillar trim. Continue running it along the interior panels all the way to the trunk. Remove the reverse light assembly. Shift into reverse to identify the reverse light and its power wire. Use a multimeter to find the positive wire for the reverse light. Connect the red wire of the extension cable to the reverse light power wire. Make sure to insulate the connection properly. Run the extension cable through the trunk door trim to the license plate area. Connect and mount the camera. If you have a better routing preference, feel free to use your own method. Back inside the car, connect the male end of the extension cable to the backup camera video input cable. Tip: secure this connection with tape to prevent it from coming loose. Finally, connect the blue wire from the extension cable to the reverse signal wire on the power harness. The reverse signal wire is the 3rd wire counting from the black ground wire. Wrap the connection with electrical tape. Step 3. Wiring and connection. Connect the power harness and the steering wheel control cables. When connecting the radio cables, pay close attention. If a pin gets pushed out during insertion, use a tool to realign it. Then, try plugging it in again. Connect the backup camera trigger wire. Route the 2 USB cables from the glove box into the radio bay. Remove the mounting clips from the OEM radio and install them onto the new unit. Connect all necessary cables to the back of the device. Connect the fan power cable to the fan power terminal on the RCA cable. Tidy up the wiring, align the clips, and snap the unit into place. Finally, reinstall the remaining original trim pieces. The installation is now complete. Route the necessary cables through the mounting base. Secure the mounting base in place. Reinstall the original trim pieces. Connect the cables to the device. Align the 4 slots on the base and slide it down to lock it in place. The installation is now complete.